Hey guys, this is Carson. So I'm going to walk you through the process of our new menu item. We've got a whole grain pancake, whole wheat pancake, which I'm very excited for. So we've got some whole wheat flour, applesauce, chia seeds. We've got some buckwheat flour, some baking powder. And then over here for our peach glaze, we've got some peaches, we've got some ground ginger and some cornstarch. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna mix our chia seeds with our applesauce and our soy milk. We're gonna mix that and let it soak for a minute. All right, so while that's soaking for a minute, we're going to work on our peach glaze. We're gonna go over here to our stove. We're gonna bring this to a simmer. All right, we're gonna grab a little bit of that peach glaze and make our slurry with our cornstarch. Grab a whisk over here. So we've got our slurry with a little bit of peach juice from the can and some cornstarch. Make a really nice slurry out of that. And then we're gonna, it's coming to a simmer right now, beautiful. So we're gonna add this in. It's a little out of time because we don't know how much. It's gonna go a long way. So once that thickens up nicely, it's gonna be a nice, kind of a little thicker than the syrup consistency. We're gonna fold in our ginger and peaches. Let's give our chia seeds another stir. Oh yeah, they're starting to do what they're supposed to do. Beautiful. All right, so this is where we want it. So now we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add our ginger and our peaches. And we're just gonna use a whisk or a rubber spatula and just fold it in nice and neat. So we'll end up with a beautiful, and we don't want to do it too much because we don't want the peaches to be mushed. We kind of like a nice solid peach. Just enough to warm them up to temperature. Okay, and that is our gingered peach glaze. Really is simple, easy, fantastic. Okay, so this has had a chance to sit for a minute. We are going to add our dry ingredients. Well, the rest of our wet ingredients as well. So we're gonna add our canola oil, our syrup, ground cinnamon, baking powder, whole wheat flour, buckwheat flour. And we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. It's making a nice batter. The consistency is just where we want it. This is the first time I'm making this, so this is fun. This will be featured on our new menus that are rolling out next week. All right, we've got a beautiful consistency there. Just what we want. Okay, next step is we're gonna throw it on the grill. So lightly spray your grill so it doesn't stick. Portion it out with a 4-ounce scoop. Okay, and we're gonna make 6 portions. So we'll have 3. Well, we got enough to make 8. We'll do 8. 8 pancakes, which is enough for 2 normal servings. Or sorry, 4 normal servings. So now, while that's cooking, we're gonna get our scrambled eggs going because it comes with a side of scrambled eggs. So we just use liquid scrambled eggs. Of course, they are in core with our company's policy, so they are range-free chickens, ethically raised. Get that going for that. We've got our plate ready right here. All right, I'm gonna slide some gloves on. And then I'm gonna get some fresh mint for the garnish ready. All right, ooh, some beautiful fresh mint. Obviously the stuff we'd get is different. I just picked some up from the store real quick just for this. Nice, beautiful sprig of mint. We'll set that right there. Turn around here, our eggs are almost done. Let's grab a spatula. All right, so Scrambled eggs are almost done. They look beautiful. Got a nice side of scrambled eggs going on the plate. We're gonna flip our pancakes. Those look delicious, I have to say. And there we go. That is our whole wheat pancake with gingered peach syrup and scrambled eggs.